Hi, my name's Jamaluddin and I'm an IELTS instructor. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the thought of taking the IELTS exam? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many students feel the same way, but with the right guidance and preparation, you can achieve the score you need. In my channel, you will find expert tips and strategies to help you excel on all four sections of the IELTS exam: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. I will share my personal experiences and insights to give you a better understanding of what to expect on the test day. In my videos, you will learn how to approach each section of the exam with confidence, and I will provide you with practice materials and exercises to help you improve your skills. I understand that everyone has different learning styles, and that's why I will provide you with a personalized approach to help you achieve your goals. Don't let the IELTS exam stand in the way of your future. Subscribe to my channel now and let's start your journey to success together. Remember, with the right guidance and preparation, you can achieve the score you need. So, don't wait any longer. Subscribe now and let's get started on your journey to success.